Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit and withdraw money in FxPro step by step. You are going to also learn how you can basically use the FxPro wallet since all the withdrawals are processed through it. So first of all, come here on fxpro.com. When you are on FxPro, simply select the option of login on the top right hand corner. Over here, enter your email address, then press continue, then enter the password of your account and then select the option of login. So when you log in into your account, you are going to see this type of wallet section. Now over here, you will have three different options. We have withdrawal, we have transfer, and then we have funds. So since you want to deposit first, you need to select the option of fund. Over here, you will be landed on the deposit section where you will be shown a bunch of different options in order to deposit crypto or the money inside your account. So you can choose any of these options. For example, let's say you have selected the option of Bitcoin. So after selecting it, it is going to show you the QR code as well as the wallet address, which you can basically use in order to deposit Bitcoin. Similarly, you can select the option of USDT, then select the option of network. Then again, it is going to show you the QR code and the deposit address, which you can use in order to deposit USDT. You can also select the option of bank transfers, like you can select the local bank transfer and the bank transfer options. If you want to use your credit or debit card, you can choose the option of Neteller and Skull. So basically, with the help of these few methods, you will be able to easily deposit funds inside your FxPro wallet. Now once you have some funds available, again you can come here inside your wallet section, and once you have your balance available here, the withdrawal button will be activated. So when you select the option of withdrawal, you will be landed on the withdrawal page where you need to enter the amount. Then you just have to basically select the payment method, and then you just have to basically submit your withdrawal request. Now FxPro typically processes the withdrawal requests within one working day, so you need to simply just wait for that, and that's how you can deposit and withdraw funds inside FxPro. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.